Hello, hi, welcome back to CSIR. So, today we have a very exciting update for all of you who are looking for a research and project based opportunities in our country. The CSIR Institute of Minerals and Materials Technology Bhubaneswar has released an official recruitment notification for a number of project positions. This notification was published under the advertisement number PME/P78/2025 dated on 14th August 2025. And the best part is there are multiple posts available across various projects funded by CSIR, SERB, Ministry of Mines, Ministry of Earth Science, IGSTC, and other prestigious agencies inside our country. So, if you are someone with a background in chemistry, physics, geology, material science, electronics, computer science, or even engineering disciplines like mechanical, metallurgy, instrumentation, and chemical engineering, this is a golden opportunity for you. So, there are highly reputed projects, and working here will not only give you exposure to advanced research but also a strong career boost in the field of science as well as technology. So, let's go through the notification in detail. The positions announced include Project Associate Grade 1, then Senior Project Associate, Junior Research Fellow, and Project Assistants Grade 2. The emoluments or salaries ranges from 20,000 rupees per month plus HRA for project assistants to 42,000 rupees plus HRA for senior project associates. Some specialized posts like JRF and certain project associates who are net or gate qualified are eligible for 31,000 to 37,000 rupees plus HRA. So clearly there are excellent salary packages here depending on your qualification, that is the qualification based on your net or gate. Then coming to the eligibility requirements or the qualifications required to apply for the particular positions mentioned. For many project associate positions, the eligibility is MSc in chemistry, physics, geology, material science, biochemistry, or BE or BTech in relevant fields like mechanical electronics, instrumentation, metallurgy, IT, computer science, and chemical engineering. But for the project positions like senior project associates, the eligibility includes PhD with 2 years of experience or an MSc with at least 3 years of the relevant experience in a recognized academic or industrial institutions. So either you can apply if you are having a PhD with a 2 year of experience, or you can also apply if you are having an MSc with at least 3 years of the relevant experience in the recognized from a recognized university or other institution in the field mentioned for the project positions mentioned. So for project assistants, a BSc in chemistry or a diploma in metallurgy or a chemical engineering is sufficient for the qualification requirements. And for JRF positions, an MSc in chemistry or BE or BTech in chemical engineering with net or gate qualification is required. And the age limit required for the different posts are different. So the maximum age limit varies according to the post. For most project associates and assistants, the maximum age is 35 years, and for senior project associates it is 40 years. The maximum age is 35 for most of the project associates and project assistants posts mentioned in the CSIR IMMT recruitment. And for senior project associates it is 40 years, and for some special roles it can go up to 50 years. The age limit can go up to 50 years for certain posts also. Relaxations are available as per the government norms, as it is a CSIR based institution, which is a 5 year relaxation for SC, ST, or physically disabled or women candidates, and 3 years for OBC candidates. So age relaxation is available. So you will have to produce the required documents and all that if you are claiming the age relaxation based on the reservation categories. Now let's talk about the responsibilities and job requirements. Depending on the project, you may get to work on the very advanced areas like online estimation of precious metal using deep learning and image processing, then artificial intelligence and machine learning applications in mineral processing, then integrated bio and hydrometallurgical recovery of metals from spent batteries, multiferric materials characterization, development of advanced electrochemical energy storage system, lithium ion battery recycling and fabrication, thin film coatings, rare earth elements assessments and hydrometallurgical options, ferroelectric perovskite materials for energy harvesting, ionic liquids for metal separation, renewable blue energy generation and much more. So the research area focus are different for different positions as well as different posts mentioned above in the notification. Also the salary range, eligibility requirements, whatever, everything is different for positions mentioned. So if you are going with each post and explaining the each criteria for each post and everything, the video will be too long. So we are making a total briefing of the whole PDF notification that is available in the website, so that you can make it easier to understand as well as application make it easier. So you can see that these are cutting edge projects that we already mentioned, the different areas of the research project focus areas. So such kind of cutting edge projects are available. So if you're getting selected, you will be working on the topics mentioned, which are not only highly relevant for India's future technology but also globally competitive. So this kind of experience is going to look a very amazing thing on your CV, and it also opens doors for higher studies, industry placements and even permanent CSIR opportunities in the future, depending upon your own performance during your tenure in the project positions. Now let's come to the selection process. Candidates first need to apply online through the CSIR IMMT official website. The link will be provided in the description box so that you can directly access the page and application link from the description box. So the application will be screened and shortlisted candidates will be called for a walk-in interview at the CSIR IMMT Bhubaneswar. And also no separate call letters will be issued for the selected candidates. So keep checking the official website for the regular updates from the CSIR IMMT site. And the application process is very simple. It involves only two steps. First one is the one-time registration on the application portal and then filling up the online application form. So once you submit the form, you have to make sure that you take a printout. Either you can take a printout in the offline mode, or you can take a PDF printout and save it in the system or cloud storage, wherever you keep it, and it will be available for you at any time for the future needs. And the last date of the application is 31st August 2025. So don't wait till the last minute. Make sure to complete your application on time and submit. And when you go for the interview, so if you're getting selected for the CSIR IMT project positions, and if you're going for the interview, you must carry out some documents along with the printed application form. So you have to carry a valid ID proof of you, either Aadhaar card or your matriculation certificate or your passport, or some kind of any valid ID proof which is authorized by the governments. Then mark sheets, then certificates from 10th standards onward. So 10th, your high secondary, then UG, PG, etc. If you're having any other, then CGPA to percentage confirmation, conversion if applicable, then category certificate if you belong to the SC, ST, OBC, then EWS categories. So you will have to take the certificates from the recognized agencies. I mean, not from the state one, it would be central oriented certificates which is needed for the CSIR recruitments. Then you will need an NOC if you are currently employed, and experience certificates if you are having any experience which is relevant. Without these documents, your candidature may get cancelled even if you appear for the interview. So if you are going for an interview, you have to carry the documents. I repeat, a valid ID proof, then mark sheets and certificates from 10th standards onward, then CGPA to percentage conversion if applicable, then category certificate if you are belonging to any of the mentioned reservation categories, and then NOC if you are currently employed, and experience certificates if any relevant experience is available for you. And the interviews will be held on the different dates for different posts. So post codes and its corresponding interview dates are given in the notifications, so you can check it out, and also you can see that. Then the interviews are happening in 3 consecutive days: 9th, 10th, and 11th September. So on these 3 days, the interview for all the positions mentioned would take over. So you will have to check the post you are applying, I mean the post code you are applying, and you have to find out the interview date on which your interview is happening. And also they have mentioned that the reporting time for the offline interview is 9 a.m. and 11 a.m., which means in between 9 to 11 your interview would happen, and it would be at CSIR IMMT Bhubaneswar. So make sure to reach on time with all the required documents and all the other things mentioned in the notification. And also they have mentioned a few general important instructions for the candidates, which are: these positions are purely temporary and co-terminus with the projects. Then the engagement will initially be for 1 year, but it can be extended based upon the performance of the project, performance of the candidate, and requirement for the project in the future. Then the maximum total engagement period across different CSIR project is 6 years, and it is extendable up to 7 years in the special cases with the industry funded projects. While these are not permanent jobs, they are an excellent stepping stone for those who want to build a strong career in research, and will also be eligible for CSIR's leave policies, then maternity policies, and paternity benefits. And you will be working under some of the top scientists in the field CSIR, as you already know. So I would say this is a fantastic opportunity, not only because of the attractive salary, but also because of the exposure to national and international level projects available in the CSIR like institutions. So if you are preparing for a research career or PhD, or looking to strengthen your industry profile, this experience would be extremely valuable for your career. So don't miss out the opportunity. Once again, the last date is 31st August 2025. So don't wait until the last moment, and the interviews would start from 9th September to 11th September on 3 days: 9th, 10th, and 11th September. So apply soon, prepare well, and grab this chance to work with the CSIR IMMT, one of India's leading institute in minerals and material technology. So that's all for the today's update. So if you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. There is CSIR Info for more such recruitment updates, and all the very best to everyone who is going to apply. May you get selected and shine in your career. Thank you for watching.